Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing for Pet Treater. Now, if you're not familiar, Pet Treater is a monthly pet subscription. It's either for a dog or a cat, and you can set your profile based on size. Now, the bag, there's three different options. The first bag is $15 and you get 2 toys and 2 treats in that one. Now this one is the $18 bag and you have 2 choices on this one. You can either purchase toys only or treats only. I get toys only for my big guys. So I set a profile based on a large dog and I get toys only. Now, the third one is a box. That one's $25, and you get enough for multiple pets in your home on that one. So let's go ahead and see what they sent me for February. Now, my last video, I believe I said it was for February, but I believe it was for January. This one's coming towards the end of February, so I'm going to assume that this one is for February. So when you open it, this is what you're going to see inside. Now, each month you get a different bandana for your guys. And this one looks like there's a bunch of macarons on there. And it gets pretty big. I mean, this is still half the size, but how cute is that? And then each month they have a pick of the litter program where you take pictures of your pets, usually with the toys and treats that they send. And if they like the picture, you can be pick of the litter for that month. Oh, this time it is Winter Jack, and look at those ears. Oh my gosh. I don't think I've seen ears that crazy in a long time. How cute. Winter Jack looks like he's a puppy, doesn't he? So let's see what's inside the bag. Okay. The first thing is a treat bone. Add a treat inside. Yeah, there's a hole that goes all the way through. You can stuff it with peanut butter or anything like that, and they work to get that out. And this is made by President's Choice, and it is definitely a rubbery toy. Now, the next thing, oh, I've kind of gotten this already, but a different animal. It's a slipper, and it does have a squeaky inside. It's a cow this time. And this is by All for Paws, Doggy's Shoes. This is the Doggy's Cow Slipper. Cute. And then we have, by Paw Cafe Pet Toy, this looks like waffles with berries on it. That's what that looks like. They will go through this one in no time flat. But trying to get 3 toys from any of your major pet stores out there, you are going to spend more than $18, and that's why I get this each month. They've got something new to destroy and play with, and that's why I do it. It's so worth the money, and it comes right to my door. I don't even have to think about it. And that is what I have for you today for Pet Treater. If you're interested, I'll leave a link for you down below. I do hope you have a great day. Thanks for coming by, and I will see you soon.